Hi everyone, today I am making some buffalo chicken tenders. They tender too, y'all. Let me show you. Well, I have here 3 boneless chicken breasts that I am cutting into about 1 inch strips as best as I can. You know how they go. Now I'm sprinkling on a hefty amount of garlic powder, and I'm going to be sprinkling on both sides as much of it as I like, y'all. Now here is my go-to buffalo sauce. That's 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of packed brown sugar, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And that was a ½ cup of hot sauce. And I'm just going to let it melt over low heat. And then I'm going to just let it cook for about 5 minutes, y'all, until I get those little bubbles right there. And then it'll be time to come off the burner like now. Now here I am coating my tenders, y'all, with some self-rising flour. A very thin coat of flour is all I need for this recipe. You know, just to get a nice little fry going. And I'm going to coat those. Let them sit for about 5 minutes while I get my skillet ready with a ½ cup of canola oil. Any oil will do, y'all. I'm using a ½ cup today. And I am heating my pan over medium heat. Kind of medium high heat. And after checking and giving it the little flour test, my oil is ready. And I'm placing the first 4 strips in. And since my skillet is a little bit large for that burner, my heat is a little bit on the uneven side, but it works perfectly well for what I'm doing here. Meaning I'm kind of going back and forth, shuffling them around with the heat, y'all. And all I am looking for with this is a light brown on both sides. And they will be a little bit undercooked at this point, y'all, but that is okay. We gonna fix that. So again, that is just a little light brown on each side. It took about maybe 3 minutes to do, y'all. Taking them out of the skillet now. Then I'm going to be placing in my last 5 strips, tenders. Like so, along with 2 little tiny bites, y'all. They kind of broke off someplace, but there they go. And again, it's just light brown on each side, about 3 minutes on each side that I did here, y'all. They coming out of the skillet. And then I'm going to be draining the oil out of the skillet. And then placing all my strips right back into it. And this is still over medium heat. I'm adjusting the temperature anywhere between medium low and medium high heat as I go. Getting that baby tucked in there. Now, I decided to go ahead and add a little bit more oil back into the skillet. I say about a couple of tablespoons of the oil back into the skillet, just to make sure I have enough oil in the pan where it It's not sticky, and I can continue with my fry. And now I am laying on this absolutely delicious buffalo sauce here, y'all. My go-to. Putting on the first layer of it, y'all. And look at it bubble. And this right here, this char, is what I am looking for right here. A char on each side of my tenders. Beautiful. Look at that char right there, absolutely. Now another layer of the buffalo sauce. On it goes. And yes, I'm excited about that sauce, y'all. And now I'm pouring in about a 1/4 cup, maybe a little less than a 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to cover it and let it steam, smother right on out of that skillet, y'all, for some of the most tender chicken tenders. And after about 5 minutes covered, I'm flipping those babies over again to get a nice little glaze on them like you see here. And I'm telling you, just look at all that delicious at the bottom of that skillet. I'm not going to leave it there because it's going to go ahead. I'm basting it down and sprinkling on some coarse black pepper, y'all, because I like to see my black pepper. I'm covering it one more time, y'all, one more time for about 3 minutes. Then off the burner they are, and here I am with my final layer of that buffalo sauce, plating them up, y'all, plating them up. I'm going to be adding some celery sticks, y'all, making that plate pretty. Oh, what a combo here, along with that blue cheese dressing, y'all. And when I tell you tender, so tender, y'all. Look at that. Let y'all see how tender these are. Coming up. Now, I tried to pick that thing up, and the first thing happened that is so tender, a piece fell off, y'all. But look at that right there. When I say tender and juicy, could not wait. Y'all, it was time. Oh, man. Buffalo chicken tenders, y'all, even smother style. Thanks for watching, y'all. Till next time. Bye-bye.